First we shall learn how to count from 0 to 10 in German. Zahlen von 0 bis 10 auf Deutsch lernen. Before we begin, I'll count and show you the numbers from 0 to 10 in German. Of course, we have to talk little bit faster. We have to pronounce the words little bit faster in German. That's the nature of the language. So we shall start. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 0 in German. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Number 1 in German. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Number 2 in German. 2, 2, 2, 2. Number 3 in German. 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. Number 4 in German. 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. Number 5 in German. 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. Number 6 in German. 6, 6, 6, 6, 6. Number 7 in German. 7, 7, 7, 7, 7. Number 8 in German. 8, 8, 8, 8, 8. Number 9 in German. 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. Number 10 in German. 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. Now we shall do small activity. I'm going to pronounce a number and try to recognize the number which I pronounce. 7. Number 7. 4. Number 4. 2. Number 2. 0. 0. 10. Number 10. 6. Number 6. 8. Number 8. 5. Number 5. 1. Number 1. Try. Number 3. 9. Number 9. Good. Now we shall revise all the numbers from 0 to 10 in German. And I'm not going to pronounce the number that you have to do by yourself. Check how many numbers you can recall in German. Now you have to repeat with me. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we shall speed up. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Little more. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So practice these numbers again and again when you are free, and then We shall go to number 11 to 20 in our next session.